Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I converted my sewing machine to a jigsaw, and I'm going to demonstrate some of these things I've done to it to make it work. I'll just demonstrate right offhand right now how beautiful it is. Okay, so now we're going to take this hand wheel off. We're going to put the super duper Milwaukee. This is the handle. I'm going to adapt this as my motor. And then what we're going to do, we're going to lock that in there. It's a half-inch Milwaukee drill. And we're going to wrap this around here. Okay, ready? Okay, so I'm going to cut some wood with it, and I'm going to make a couple of handles for my gate valve. And we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how I cut this. I got my fence here, my gate, and it's just basically a magnet, very strong. Okay, so anyways, let's get started. There's a cut, nice and straight, okay, and this foot here, you can lift the foot up and down. It's got a little jigsaw blade that you can do corners, and you could do like, I made this handle for my gate valve, and I'll show you that how to install it. And then basically, you can put the garbage here. So when you're cutting, there's the foot. It goes under there, and then the foot holds the wood down so it doesn't bounce up and down. So I can show you some. I don't know. I should draw something. And this is what it came out to be. No, just joking. Okay. And it works really good. You see? You can make a jigsaw. Just cut all your letters and everything there. And then I'll show you how to install this gate valve, the handle for it I made. And it works really nice. Look at that. Nice and easy. That is beautiful. I made this on that converted sewing machine. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I put in the blade in this thing. So basically what you do is loosen that. Here's the little blade for it. What you do, you put it in between the plate, insert it up, and tighten it. And you're done. This thing is really good. All the shavings go down into the garbage can there. That's it. It works really nice. Really smooth. And after you're done, you could probably make a suit.